Hey guys, this is John, and for the free video, let's look at it's 250, and I was going to trade the S&Ps today, but there is a little glitch with MF Global going out of business. Makes it hard to trade futures until I get that squared away. Doesn't affect accounts or anything like that, but just messes up some of the clearing firms and stuff like that. So today, I was actually trading Priceline in the close, and I've had to squish this window up here, so it looks a little funky. But this is what I was looking at here. And you can see right here where the last trade was 1786, but if we look at the bid ask, let me stretch this out a little bit here. We're at 2090 bid. Got to scrunch it up, and let's take a look at how we're shaping up here into the close. So what I was looking here on Priceline is that we've got this gap down here. I think it's about $495. So I'm actually looking at Priceline. There's some market weakness for the S&Ps to head back down to about at least 1250, potentially 1235 on the S&Ps. You've got this nice open gap here on Priceline down at about 495, and then just looking at some put positions to see if we can get there over the next several days. And so what I'd look at doing is we can get down to 500 or even like 502, 503, take off some of the position, move my stop to break even, and then see if we could fill the gap. All right, and then of course if we're looking at the futures here, if you look at the S&P futures, you've got where we had this huge rally. We've come down. We're trading right now near the lows on the day at 1253. So we're slamming into some pretty key support here. 1250 is what I was looking at for a first target. Now, what's going on here is that the fact that bulls couldn't hold 1270, that was like the first line of support, leads me to look at this going, wow, this market's going to fall apart and at least slam into 1235 probably early tomorrow. So you can short the S&P futures, or looking at a stock like Priceline on something like this, and looking for this to roll over and fill that gap. All right, and then if we go, let's see, it's actually drilled down here onto a 5-minute chart, and you can see here that we've probed into the 509, 510 level a couple of times here after being as high as 515. And in fact, let's drill back here a little bit. We've just been kind of snaking our way down. We had the big push down, we had the retracement rally, now we're pushed down again, testing the lows, and I'd actually look for this to continue pushing lower into tomorrow. All right, so that's kind of a trade setting up into tomorrow on Tuesday. You guys have good trading, and we'll see you at the next update.